Did you know that all the gold ever mined would only fill 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools? Quite a thought, isn't it? This golden fact underscores the sheer rarity and the immense value of this lustrous metal. Throughout history, gold has been a symbol of wealth and power, a currency that has withstood the test of time. Its scarcity is what makes it so precious. 3 pools may not sound like much, but remember, we're talking about a metal more valuable than most. Now you might think, why invest in gold when I can put my money in stocks or real estate? Well, let's dive into this comparison. When we talk about traditional investments, we're generally referring to stocks, bonds, and real estate. These are the stalwarts of any portfolio. Stocks offer the potential for high returns if you've got a keen eye for a successful company. Bonds are considered safer, offering steady returns over time. And real estate? Well, they're not making any more land, are they? However, these investments are not without their risks. Stocks can be volatile, with prices swinging wildly based on market sentiment and company performance. Bonds, while safer, are sensitive to interest rate changes, and real estate can be affected by a multitude of factors from location to market conditions, not to mention the significant upfront cost and ongoing maintenance. Now, let's turn our attention to gold and other precious metals. Gold in particular has been a store of value for thousands of years. It's tangible, it's finite, and it's universally accepted. But what really sets gold apart is its resilience. When stock markets take a tumble, gold often shines. It's considered a safe haven asset, meaning investors turn to gold in times of economic uncertainty. Of course, investing in gold isn't without its risks. The price of gold can be influenced by global economic conditions, supply and demand, and currency fluctuations. But unlike a company, gold can't go bankrupt. Unlike a bond, it doesn't rely on an entity's ability to repay debt. And unlike real estate, you can carry it in your pocket. The potential rewards? Well, gold has consistently maintained its value over the long term. And in times of inflation, gold often outperforms traditional investments. Plus, it adds a layer of diversification to your portfolio, spreading risk and potentially increasing returns. So gold isn't just a shiny metal, it's a smart investment strategy. Investing in gold isn't just about profits, it's about protection. Now, let's delve into how gold serves as a robust safeguard against the financial squalls that may come our way. Gold throughout history has been a steadfast friend to investors in times of economic turmoil. When the stock market sinks and traditional investments take a nosedive, gold often shines brighter. But why is that, you ask? Well, gold is considered a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. To understand this, let's break it down. A hedge, in financial terms, is an investment made to reduce the risk of adverse price movements in an asset. Essentially, it's a form of insurance. So when we say gold is a hedge, we mean that it can help protect your wealth from the impact of inflation or economic instability. When inflation is on the rise, the value of money decreases. But gold, it marches to the beat of its own drum. The price of gold tends to rise when the cost of living increases. So even as the purchasing power of your cash diminishes, the value of your gold investment could be holding steady or even increasing. Now, during an economic downturn, when markets are volatile and uncertainty reigns, investors typically flock to gold. It's seen as a safe store of value that can weather financial storms. Just think of it as a financial lifeboat, a sturdy vessel that stays afloat even when other investments are sinking. But remember, the value of gold doesn't solely rely on grim economic scenarios. Gold can maintain or even increase its value over time, regardless of market conditions. It's not just about surviving the storm. It's about coming out stronger on the other side. So as we navigate the unpredictable seas of the financial world, it's comforting to know there's a golden hedge in our investment portfolio. A hedge that doesn't just protect our wealth, but potentially grows it, providing a sense of security in an often uncertain world. Gold isn't just a safe haven. It's a fortress against financial storms. So you're sold on gold, but how exactly do you get your hands on it? Well, there are several ways to invest in this precious metal, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Let's explore them together. First, we have physical gold. This is the most traditional method and includes buying gold bars, coins, or even jewelry. The advantage here is that you have a tangible asset, something you can hold in your hands. But remember, storing and insuring physical gold can be a hassle and quite expensive. Next, there are gold exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. They're designed to track the price of gold, allowing you to invest in the metal without having to store it. However, ETFs come with management fees and you don't actually own the physical gold. Another option is to invest in gold mining stocks. When you buy shares in a gold mining company, you're betting on the company's ability to extract and sell gold at a profit. This can offer greater returns if the company does well, but it's also riskier. The company's performance can be affected by factors beyond the price of gold, such as operational issues or political instability in the region where the mines are located. And then we have gold futures and options. These are contracts to buy or sell gold at a future date and at a set price. They can be a good way to hedge against price changes. But be warned, futures and options are complex financial instruments that require a good understanding of the market. Finally, there are gold mutual funds and index funds. These funds invest in a variety of gold-related assets, providing diversification. They can be a good choice for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Remember, the best investment strategy is the one that suits your individual needs and goals. So take the time to understand each method, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. Happy investing. Investing in gold isn't just about the here and now, it's about the future. In the world of finance, the future is always a mystery. Markets rise and fall, currencies fluctuate, and economies go through cycles of growth and recession. Amidst this uncertainty, one thing remains constant: the value of gold and precious metals. You see, gold isn't just a shiny trinket or a symbol of wealth, it's a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a safe haven in times of economic turmoil. Investing in gold is like investing in a piece of the earth itself, a resource that's been treasured by civilizations across the ages. But the benefits of investing in gold extend far beyond the immediate financial returns. They span generations. Consider this. A gold coin that was worth a handful of dollars 100 years ago could be worth hundreds if not thousands of dollars today. That's the power of gold. It's a way to preserve your wealth. Not just for your lifetime, but for the lifetimes of your children and their children after them. Imagine a future where you've built a store of wealth that's immune to the whims of the market. A future where you've created a financial fortress that can weather any storm. A future where you've left a legacy of security and prosperity for your loved ones. That's the golden future that investing in gold and precious metals can offer. In a world that's becoming increasingly volatile and uncertain, the timeless value of gold and precious metals shines brighter than ever. They offer a way to navigate the stormy seas of the financial world, a beacon of stability in an ever-changing landscape. And remember, gold isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can invest in gold, regardless of their financial situation. It's an opportunity that's open to all, a golden ticket to financial security and prosperity. So as we look to the future, let's not forget the lessons of the past. Let's remember the enduring value of gold and precious metals and the financial security they can provide for generations to come. Gold isn't just a treasure, it's a legacy. So, are you ready to strike gold? The question is, why wouldn't you be? The allure of gold and precious metals has stood the test of time, remaining a symbol of wealth and prosperity through countless generations. And today, it's not just about having a shiny trinket to show off. It's about securing your future. Investing in gold and precious metals is not just for the affluent. It's for anyone who understands the value of diversification, anyone who appreciates the safety net it provides against economic downturns. It's a tangible asset, something you can hold in your hand, and it's been a store of value for thousands of years. The potential for growth in this sector is immense. As we move further into the 21st century, the demand for these precious metals is only set to increase. They're used in everything from jewelry to electronics to space exploration. They're finite resources, and as the old adage goes, scarcity breeds value. But the key here is not to wait. The best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is now. It's about starting your journey towards wealth today, not tomorrow, not next week. It's about taking that first step, making that initial investment, and then watching your wealth grow. Don't wait for the gold rush. Start your journey to wealth today.